In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Dropbox sharing settings. Start by opening your browser, going to dropbox.com and signing into your account. Once you're in, we'll focus on two key areas: shared links and shared folders. Shared links are perfect when you've sent a file or folder in an email or chat and want people to view or download it quickly. Shared folders are better for ongoing collaboration with specific people. Let's begin with shared links. Find the file or folder you want to control, hover over it, and click the share button. In the share window, click the settings gear icon. Under link for viewing, you'll see options that determine who can access this link. Choose anyone with the link if you're comfortable with the link being public to anyone who has it, or switch to only people invited to restrict access to specific individuals. You may also see options to set whether the link is view only or allows editing depending on your plan and content type. If you're sharing something sensitive, keep it view only and restricted to invited people. When collaboration is needed, enable editing for trusted collaborators only. If you want to stop sharing a link entirely, look for delete link or remove link and click it. The moment you do, the URL stops working for everyone who has it, even if they bookmarked it or saved it in a chat. If you need to share again later, you can create a new link and send that fresh URL. Now let's manage shared folders. Hover over the shared folder, click the three dots in the corner, and choose Manage Permissions. You'll see a list of people or groups who have access. Click the drop-down next to someone's name to set what they can do. Select Can Edit if they need to add, delete, and modify files. Choose Can View if you want them limited to seeing and downloading files without changing or deleting anything. A simple rule of thumb is to grant edit access only to people who truly need it and keep everyone else on view. To control who can invite others into the folder, open the share menu for that folder, click the settings gear icon and look for manage who can add people. If you're the owner, change this to only the owner. This prevents members from inviting additional people without your approval and keeps your folder membership tidy and secure. That's it. You've learned how to manage shared links, adjust folder permissions, and lock down invites. Thanks for watching.